How to remove someone on Life360 Circle. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Life360 app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, simply click at the top and select the circle you want to delete the person from. Then click on the gear icon at the top left. Here, click on Circle Management. After you click on Circle Management, here you'll find Edit Circle or Your Peoples. You can simply click on Add to People and then add people. After you have added people, you'll find Circle in here. You can go to it and then simply select the person you want to delete and then press on Delete at the top right and the person will be deleted. This is I remove someone on Life360 Circle. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. For a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.